at NAB Show New York 2018, where consumers' ways of accessing content continues to evolve in the digital media landscape. NAB Show is a growing show with thousands of attendees and hundreds of exhibitors right here in the Big Apple. Hi, I'm Ashley with In Broadcast. Joining me is Matthew of WorldCast Connect. Hello.
Hello.
So briefly tell me a little bit about the company.
Sure. WorldCast Connect is a software provider. We are building and selling network management software that does also operation support software.
And so what's new for you right now here at the show?
So one of the key announcements we're making at the show is the introduction of 2 new key modules as part of our platform. The first one being the ticket management system that we have built into the platform, which is kind of extending the scope of a traditional network monitoring platform, also to include the management of teams, incidents, tracking, and resolution path. The second aspect is also a kind of a new way to deploy the solution using what we call edge bots, which are effectively enabling a grid type of deployment across very large geographical regions.
Why would something like that be so important?
Well, it's actually becoming very key to a lot of our customers today that are facing a lot of trouble monitoring remote sites in rugged, operations, rugged regions as well. So it was very important for us to bring some of that intelligence that we have usually in the network operations center down to the field and provide access to the data for all the engineers on the field.
And what can we expect from WorldCast Connect in the next, say, 6 to 12 months?
It's a good question. One of the key topics we're also investing a lot of R&D time in is building a correlation engine into the platform that will automatically suggest resolution path when we come across an issue. It's involving a lot of artificial intelligence models into the platform to identify patterns on issues and to send intelligent reports so we can act proactively.
Very nice. And so what's your website? People can get more information on everything.
Absolutely. So the website is www.worldcastconnect.com.
Okay. Everyone be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you very much.